Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today in this episode you are gonna learn about the difference between American and British English. There is a lot of difference between American and British English according to vocabulary, according to accent, and according to grammar. So what is the difference between American and British English according to vocabulary? First is vocabulary. You know that there is a lot of difference according to vocabulary and why these two American and British English have different vocabulary because of the invention, discoveries, and because of the different environment as well, the different culture, the different tradition as well. So there is a lot of difference between American and British English according to vocabulary. I have written some example of different vocabulary between these two English, like American call the front of the car hood, while the British call it bonnet. The American call it elevator. The British call it lift. Americans say cell phone, while British say mobile phone. Americans say candy, while British say sweet. Flashlight, torch. Another difference between American and British English is according to grammar. And according to grammar, the difference between American and British English is collective nouns and auxiliary verbs. And there is a lot of difference between American and British English according to grammars, but this is the important difference between these two English. Collective nouns. American use the collective noun as a singular noun, while the British use it singular or plural as well. For example, you can say the band is very good. Now here the band is a collective noun, and we call it, the band is called the group of the musician. Now the band is very good, so it is used here as a singular. American use it as a singular noun because you can see that is. So the band is very good. Another example is the team is playing cricket. So the team is here the collective noun, while the American use it as a singular noun. While the British use it, American, for example, the British use it, the band are very good. They use this collective noun as a plural as well as a singular. Another example, the team are playing tonight. So the British use it plural as well as singular, while the American use the collective noun only as a singular noun. Another difference is auxiliary verb, which is most important difference between American and British English. According to auxiliary verb shall, will, and shall. Actually, American use that I will, for example, American use will, while the British use shall. For example, I will go to home. Americans say I will go to home, while the British use shall. I shall go to home. Americans say I will go to home, while the British say I shall go to home. So these are the difference between American and British English according to grammar. Now what is the difference between these two English according to accent? Now what's the difference between American and British English according to accent? So there is a lot of difference between American and British English according to accent, but the main difference is due to the pronunciation of the letter R and the pronunciation of the letter T. Now the British people, in most cases the British people don't pronounce the letter R. That's why the American and British have a lot of difference in their accent. Now for example, American pronounce the letter R. For example, car. Americans say car, while the British say car. Only car. So in other words, you will pronounce the letter R which is followed by vowel. The British people pronounce that R which is followed by vowel. For example, real, write, arrange, umbrella. Here the letter R is followed by vowel. Here you can see that uh, E, I, A, E. So these letter R is followed by when the letter R is followed by vowel, so the British people pronounce it clearly, while otherwise they don't pronounce the letter clearly. The letter R clearly. Another example is the pronunciation of the letter T. In most cases, the British people, when there is in the end of the word the letter T, so the British people don't pronounce it, while the American people don't pronounce it. For example, in the letter out, here at the end of the T, the end of the word there is a T, so the British people pronounce it T, while the American turn this letter T into R. The Americans say our, while the British say out. The British pronounce the letter T, while the American turn the letter T into R. So hope guys you will get something about the difference between American and British English. Thanks for watching. Thanks a million. Thanks a lot. Thanks a bunch.